Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Spyderco Paramilitary 2 REC edition here with me for a quick review, because I already reviewed this guy, so you can refer to the normal Paramilitary 2 review if you want to know more about this guy. But please don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you enjoy this content. This is a very interesting one because it's the PM2 REC edition, or avocado. It's because of this green color going on. It's a nice color combo. This handle is G10, of course. It has a nice earthy tone. It's not like the regular camo that you see in many PM2. They went with an olive drab G10 handle, black hardware, black clip. And also they picked CTS 204P steel because this is 100% American-made, American steel. 204P is a steel that retains an amazing edge and can be brought back to hair-popping sharp with just routine maintenance. This kind of steel is pretty high wear and resistant to corrosion. It's a stainless steel. It's produced using Carpenter powder metallurgy process, which is really high in vanadium, chromium, and carbon, and it's used for high-performance industrial and custom knives, and also for food processing equipment. And it's a pretty cool one. And they went like over the top, doing some pretty cool PVD coating, which is physical vapor deposition coating, which is they are like coating this blade with some vacuum procedure, which produce like a thin film that's gonna wrap around this blade. Is really cool. And the result is very interesting, very uniform, and it's gonna add extra protection, of course. So this guy is, of course, it's like a PM2. It's the knife you of course know, and this is just a very nice sprint run, which has like a unique look, and it's a pretty cool EDC option if you are gonna be out in the wild and you're gonna expose this guy to the elements. This is really high corrosion resistant, so it's highly recommended, especially in that case. But that's my review, my quick review of this little guy. Not so little. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.